Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for JASMY, we are trading at 0.003955, 24-hour volume. You're down 9.58%, and market cap, we are up 1.55%. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, I know JASMY has continuously dropped multiple times. If we can take a look again at this parallel channel that we saw in September, broke down around 78%, skyrocketed all of a sudden, and then broke down here along with Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last couple of days. But essentially here, what we have is a symmetric triangle, again, coming down to an area of support, resistance. We're going to test on this area of support, but normally with symmetric triangles, it is definitely a continuation of the overall trend. And of course, what we know for JASMY, the overall trend is just continuation of a bear trend. We can see that we're graspingly far away from all of our moving averages, and essentially what we really need to have in regards to a bullish market for JASMY is retesting these moving averages in a bigger scale of a time frame and essentially closing above it. But we are just essentially getting further away and further away from it. So here's going to be our test here at this dollar amount at 0.00360 as the price is going to come down and correct it. We may have another impulse coming up as high as this peak here, at 0.00417, retest this area of support or resistance here and see where that takes us. But essentially, again, with the symmetric triangle, we are going to be testing a lot of areas of support to see if we can be able to hold it for JASMY. But let's head over to our area of 4 hours of our time frame. Last video update here, we were in a descending triangle, or essentially retesting our area of support. We did a false breakout in this matter here. If we take a look and measure how much of that actual price broke from our neckline all the way down to our 78% of our fib, it was a 5% completion rate. However, again, it was only a false breakout that we saw here, and price retraced on the upward side, which in fact worked and helped us actually for JASMY. Now, when we take a look at this impulse of this pump here, we can see that we are considered as overbought with our K line at 78% and our D line at 82%. We've already triggered a selling opportunity at these two lines where it crossed over, and we can see that was at the area of a retest of our 50 moving average. So we can see this orange line is our 50 moving average. We got rejected one peak here, another peak here, and it's only a matter of time here that we need to make sure we're holding 50% of our fib to continue this uptrend, to continue making a lot of lower high peaks, an essential of a uptrend, and retesting again in a lower time frame to close above the 50 MA. We've already closed above the 20 MA, and we don't want that to be short-lived for JASMY, so we want to make sure we're continuing up in this upwards channel. Now, the importance of holding at the 50% is number one, our volume profile shows this area generated a lot of trades, either buy or sell. So we have a lot of volume from the 3812 all the way down to the 3781. So this is a good area of interest. 50% of our fib here is danger zone for bear market, so we want to make sure that we're able to hold that. And most importantly, our 20 MA if we want to retest our 50 MA in hopes of a bear market. But again, a bull run here. So again, we do want to make sure these RSI is kept in check. And of course, if our MACD indicator has another wave in these darker green colors, we're going to have enough to be able to hold enough support here. But if our MACD indicator shows smaller histograms or these bars itself, then essentially we're not going to hold this 50, and then come down to another area of a known support, which is 61% of our fib at 3708. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below for JASMY. Like and subscribe to the channel for daily crypto videos, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.